Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make Tarka Dhal, a classic recipe that is delicious and easy to make. As always, a full list of all the ingredients for the dish can be found in the description below. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Thanks. To begin, rinse 1 cup of split red lentils a few times until the water is clear and then drain. In a pan, add the lentils, 3 cups, that's 750 millilitres of water, 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric, and bring to the boil. Keep an eye on it, as when it boils over fairly quickly. Stir and turn down to a simmer, cooking for around 20 to 30 minutes, stirring frequently until it's the consistency you require. I prefer this completely mushed, almost to a soup consistency. Whilst the dal is cooking, in a separate pan on a low heat to medium heat, add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of butter ghee, 2 dry Kashmiri chillies and a 2-inch piece of cassia bark. Fry until bubbles start to form around the hard spices. Add 1 teaspoon of black mustard seeds along with 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and continue to fry, stirring frequently until they just begin to crack and pop. Add in 1 small red onion, around 100 grams and 2 chopped and seeded green chillies. Stir well and continue to cook until the onions are golden, stirring frequently so they don't burn. Add in 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste and a further heaped teaspoon of garlic. Stir through and cook for around 30 to 60 seconds until the bitter smell disappears. Finally, add half a teaspoon of methi leaves and 1.5 teaspoons of garam masala. Stir through for 30 seconds before removing from the heat. When the dal is cooked to your liking, pour over the tarka, leaving a little behind. Stir through and serve decorated with remaining tarka. Please remember to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.